Hello, this is Alex, drum instructor with the Salvation Army here in Anaheim, California. Today we're going to have another simple drum beat instruction here. We're going to expand on the last video where we had kick drum on 1, snare drum on 2, kick drum on 3, snare drum on 4. Very simple beginner beat. Today we're going to expand on that and we're going to add just one extra thing that's going to give us a little bit more to work with here. So today we're going to have kick drum on 1 and 3 and. Everything else stays the same as our last beat, so snare's still on 2 and 4, and we have eighth notes on our hi-hat. So what that's going to sound like is something like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's it. So our first beat we had kick on 1 and 3, snare on 2 and 4 like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and now we're just adding in that second kick. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's it. So practice that. Try mixing both the beats together so you can have a little combination of both, kind of something like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. When you get a little bit better, try speeding it up and going a little bit faster with it. Maybe something like this. That's it. Have fun.